Hi, my name is Thabo and welcome to my channel. This week I was planning on doing the soundproofing inside my Unimog. However, it is raining. It's just raining all the time, which means I can't get my Unimog to my workshop. If I were to drive it through this, it won't get bogged down because it's a Unimog, you know? But it would just make big ruts in the ground, and this is just such a lovely place. I don't want to do that.
So I think I will finish mounting the winch on my Unimog.
Enjoy.
It's gorgeous.
It's a bit muggy. It might rain later. It's been raining for days now. It's a bit of a thing. My workshop is just covered in mud. So I've got to walk on a plank here, but it's just a muddy mess everywhere. But I'm just going to sand this down a bit, and because it looks a bit rough. But I'm going to use it on the truck just like this with the undercoat until I'm doing the truck painting. Then I'll just paint everything together. But in the meantime, this is just a protective layer to stop it from rusting. Okay, here we go. Son of a bitch.
Threw my phone away, but ran to strangers. Found out that they weren't that dangerous and that we are.
It is very heavy.
Winds blew, we made a fight with the vapor. We have to some strange reason of it chasing. We did not lament the time that we had wasted, but rejoiced that when we found ourselves today. Yeah, dance on sing to sun come up, and the evil that arise we just overcome. None of us has much, but we all have enough. We are made rich by the one that's all us.
Okay. That's actually a nice color. So let me go get the tools to bolt it on.
Join hands with us, find yourself and lose your fear when this expands.
Oh crap, there's the battery over there. Gotta go get a battery.
These creatures that walked naked and eating, unashamed, full of freedom until they're loud. Fear to disease and those who carry.
Okay, how am I gonna do that? Oh crap, no, I can't do that. Oh no, man. That's a disappointment. So I can't get to that bolt from underneath. There's something right there, and it can look fine, but right now I can't get to it. So I have to figure out how to bolt the winch onto it before I put this on. Actually, I have an idea. Yeah, I think it'll work. Give this a try.
That arise, we just overcome. None of us has much, but we all have enough. We are made rich by the.
I don't wanna scratch the paint.
Heart that beats with the pain. One people because we are the same. Tell sides that we grow to believe when we look inside our homes that we see.
I hope this works. So I'm gonna bolt it on, and then what I can do, I can get some leverage here and do these with my one hand, and then slide the whole thing in and then bolt it in. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Oh crap, this thing's gonna crash me to death. Let me go get the winch.
My grandma's grave, I swear that. My mama's name, I swear that. The world can change until it does. We will sing and dance with us.
Okay, I've got the bolts, the winch. I'm good to go. Okay, now let's see how this goes. Whoa, son of a bitch. Oh, this is really heavy. Not an absolute moron.
I've been staying strong on my feet, keeping my heels below my knees, but I can't help feeling weak. wake up is hard.
So I finished mounting the winch. The last bit unfortunately was out of focus, but wasn't all that interesting. But the next thing is to connect it up. Today I went and bought the wires. Serious wires at a serious price. It's just really crazy expensive. But look at that. Look at that. I think tomorrow's going to be a good day. I think the rain is gone for maybe a couple of days. And so tomorrow should be nice and shiny and we can do all kinds of things. Okay. This cable cost me just this. Cost me over $200 just for this cable. And so I'm going to attach this cable to this box. And I've got the little crimping things and I got myself a crimper. It's absolutely amazing. You can buy these things on eBay for $30. That's insane. Look at that. That is an amazing tool for $30. I don't know. I think the world's resources are just getting churned into shit for us to buy for next to nothing. But hey, I'm happy. I can do this instead of having to go and pay someone $100 to do up my wires. I can just do it here. I can do it perfectly. I can do it to the right length. That is fantastic. So all I've got to do is focus, go slow, do it right, don't make a mistake. I tend to just like see, that's what it looks like inside. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. What is that? That's it's always a 13. It's always a 13. So the trick is to just cut the plastic and not the strands. That, I think, is fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. So as I work and I haul out bits of kit equipment in order to do things, it's just everything's got a memory. This little file I must have bought in my 20s. That's amazing that I've still got it all the way from immigrating from South Africa. It was in the stuff that came over. It is astonishing. I think when I was studying I bought this for some reason, and it's just I just kept it ever since, and it's just still here. It didn't get lost. It's amazing. That I think is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm gonna wire the winch up, but in order for me to see what's in there I have to take this off. So yellow, okay. Oh, yellow goes for yellow. That goes in there. That close to finishing this job. I think I'm just going to go for it. Just finish it, get it done before the sun goes down. So measure it there. So at the moment I don't have a switch here, so usually what you do is you put in a switch between your positive and the battery, but I haven't got one yet. They're a little bit pricey, but I'll get one. In the meantime, what I can do is I can just bolt them to just screw them on there, and then once I with this little spanner and take it off when I don't use it, because I'm not going to use the winch that much. But yeah, so that's just a temporary thing, and then once I've got a switch, I'll put a switch on the side there, and you just flip the switch and then your winch has got power. A moment of truth. There is switch. Guess I should look at the operating instructions. Whoa! Ew! Check it out! I have a winch. Oh, I'm on freeze pool. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ah, that freaked me out a bit. I thought it was broken. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Well, that's the end of this video. What do you think? I'm over the moon. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. So somebody just commented saying that this is dangerous, called it a cheese board or a cheese cutter, and that this might be a problem with insurance and stuff. So I've got to give you some thought. What I might do is weld just a flat plate here, just about that, from there to there, a flat plate over the front here, just to remove that cheese cutter look. I don't know, I'll go and talk to someone. I always did think it was a bit dangerous. If you hit someone with this, the problem is if you hit someone with this thing, it's a problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button at the bottom, and next to it there's a bell. Click that. You know, every time there's a video coming out, it'll say, hey, watch this video. And then click the thumbs up, because that's the thing apparently that gives me the money. Once I make money with this, I don't make money with this at all. But the people that watch it, or it's the viewership or the thumbs up, give me a thumbs up anyway. See you.
I just wanna relapse. Just wanna think we've been moving too fast. I can't really keep up. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna, yeah. Think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. Think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast.